So today's plan is quite simple. It's a matter of just kind of sit and wait. We've got a locksmith coming sometime this afternoon to take a look at the units that are currently locked that I can't get into, which is, let me show you. It's gonna be like a show and tell episode, I feel like. Anyway, so when we bought the facility, the old owner said, hey, I got them all rekeyed, but I never got the master lock key for these actual deadbolts. So we've got to figure out a way to overcome that. So we're gonna talk to a locksmith, see if we can just get one rekeyed and just have one master key for all the locks, because I think they're all the same, so they should be all keyed the same. Now those are a bunch of what ifs. Worst case scenario, I've got to buy a drill bit, drill out all those locks to be able to unlock them, replace them with new locks with keys, and that'll be a nightmare. But so that's one project we're gonna work on. But also today we need to head to like hardware store, Walmart, something like that, big box store, to be able to get we got to get some trash bags so we can start cleaning out units. And then tomorrow we'll work on quotes for painting the building. If it's going to be $5,000, then, well, yours truly is going to be painting the building. So today's going to be kind of a laid back, relaxed day. Couple things to check off our list. But the one thing that we got to do right now is we got to plug in the RV to our gas generator to charge our solar generator so that we have power throughout the night. Because we don't have solar panels yet, which I know, we got to get solar panels. So our neighbor, Jerry, over there, had a locksmith buddy. So locksmith buddy came out and tried a bunch of different things and was unsuccessful. Before he left, he asked me, he goes, do you want me to drill out this lock? I go, sure, why not? So he did. It took him about an hour. And it wasn't horrible, but he was able to essentially break into the front side of the building, and we're able to essentially, so we broke in through this deadbolt. We were able to get through here, and then I was able to unbolt one of these panels, chase it to the next building the next storage unit next door, and he was able to unlock them. So I think we found a solution to a major problem that I was incredibly stressed out, because these are all dead bolted, and the only way to unlock them is either to hire someone to pick them, which that was unsuccessful, but we're able to overcome them. So that's what we did, and now we just got to break into 7 more units. Are we ready to go?
Yeah, but where's my flashlight?
In your pocket. Chase is on the other side. See if we can unlock it. Oh, there you go. Good job.
Now we have to do it on the other side. We're going to do this.
All right.
We have to do it a bunch of times though. On the other side too.
You hear me?
Yeah, but I cannot. Yeah. I cannot get out, dude.
Good job. All right, so Chase and I have unlocked the doors. Just had to unbolt some walls.
So a black widow.
We did see a black widow, but exciting news because then now we can just keep the deadbolts unlocked and we can secure the doors. The tenants can just secure the doors with just a regular lock or a disc lock or a master lock, that kind of thing. So
Right.
I'm not too worried about the deadbolts. It's a nice feature, but it's something that then I got to keep track of keys, and I'd rather just overlock someone if they hadn't paid yet.
Still got more to
No,
do.
we don't. That was it.
Well,
We got them all unlocked.
I'll show you.
Well, after a long day, we have 8 units almost ready for rent. We've got 4 units ready for rent, and we've just got another couple busy days here coming up, getting units cleaned out. We've got to get rid of some stuff in the storage units, but all the doors that were secured are no longer secure, and we've overcome the deadbolt, which was a huge problem, which we solved by breaking into the other units with the help of Chase. Thanks, buddy, today.
You're welcome. And it was actually kind of fun breaking into them. Like when I had to go into the units and then unlock them.
Was it scary?
No.
Oh. Anyways, until tomorrow, we're gonna get some rest. We're gonna eat some dinner.
We think so.
And we are going to get busy to work early tomorrow morning. So, till then, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you aren't already commenting below, please do so. I will respond to every single comment.
Comment below.
Comment below. Yeah.
Comment below. I'm not sure which way I go to do a comment below. I'm
I
not
think it's
sure.
down below.
Okay. Comment below. Like and subscribe.
Good night.
Night. Good day. Good night. I'm not sure what to say, but good night.
All right. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.